Today we're gonna actually bring solar lights. If you guys can see, these are actually multiple lights, and there's perfect for 4th of July or upcoming Christmas or any kind of holiday, or just to have them out there in your actual tree lines and put them out there. These are really nice, and they come to with a pair of two, and they actually give you two remote controls too, and on top of that they give you an actual charging station. Now this is a USB to actually AC connection, so it actually connects in the bottom and the back of it, if you guys can notice in here in the back, and you just all you got to do is plug it in and then USB and charge it. But you don't really need to charge these once they're out there in the field and you just don't turn them on for a couple of days. They're going to get fully charged either way. So that's got a little very good option to have in case you're going to have something that's going to happen that same day and you want to make sure they're fully charged. This is a thing that you can do. They give you an actual stations where you actually dock these in there, and you could either post them up or actually drill them into the wall too. So they do come with that. They come with the actual screws, everything that you necessary is needed. So we're gonna turn this to the back so we could turn it on for now so you guys can see it. And right now we're not gonna show you all the modes because there's multiple modes. We're actually gonna put this out in one of our trees in the front and see how well it looks. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.